What's really going on, you guys? Check this out. We got the friggin' Vantrue Nexus series N4 Pro S. It's the N4 Pro S, boys, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. So one lucky viewer will win a super sweet dash cam. You get you on multiple angles, so you're let's crack into that. Oh, without any further ado, let's just get into this guy and we'll see what we got. Let's see what we got here, boys. Oh, we got different appies. We got the different appies on there. We got the laser plug. Looks like some sort of a bracket. Got a little camera peenie. Got sweet USB. We'll hotwire it in with the guy. Let's look at the creme de la creme here. Oh, there we go. That's the guy right there. So that guy, gotta plug into that guy. That. Yeah, see, this guy's got the front facing, the in cabin facing, and then the rear facing. So that'll be sweet. Nice. Some more wires and stuff. Oh, we got a little accessory pack down here, boys. Share and win. So if you share the vidya and different things, you can win. It says right there, share and win. So they want you to share the vidya, and then what they're going to do is they're going to pick a lucky wiener. Check that out too. The Vantrue, protected by Vantrue dash cam. Like some alcoholic pads, a couple of wipies. Oh, screwdriver, nice touch there, buds. That's a really nice touch there. Right on, and then you got a couple of the guys. Oh, it even comes with little wire. That's a problem that you have, hiding the wires and not letting them fall all over the place. So they come with some little wire holder guys. Got 6 of those, 2 of those. Couple of these, couple of those. We got an extra long cable. But yeah, sweet. We should haul the old dash cam out. We'll put this guy in. They even, unbeknownst, sent a friggin' SD card. What do we got here? Polarizer. We got the polarizer lens, so that's pretty sweet. And then of course, set it to 12 volts or 11.6. It's got a little switch on there. It's got a little switch-a-peenie on there. You could just switch it, so we'll just keep it at 12 volts. That way, when the battery gets down to 12 volts, the system will stop recording. You know what I mean? But anyways, let me clean up my mess here. We'll haul the old dash cam out of the truck, and we'll put this guy in, and it'll be awesome. And you guys get to freaking have a free one, your very own, for this type of stuff. So, freaking right for that, boys. That was pretty awesome of Vantrue to freaking send a complimentary freaking dash cam, hey guys. What's more awesome is you guys get to chance of win a free one. That's awesome! Just getting rid of the old sticky jet off the old dash cam there. Get rid of that. We're already recording. Just an FYI. So if we unplug that, there she be. Probably not going to be able to see it worth a son of a bitch. We'll try to get some shots here later on. This is a sweet dash cam, boys. Just connecting it to the appy. Holy, we got 12 snapshots, 12 collisions, 79 normal videos. Let's check out the collisions. There's me just crashing around. Just thundering buttons. Hey? Yeah, just stunned.
Stop recording.
Oh, I'm telling it to start recording. Flicking it around. Nope, that's not how it works, buddy. Just brain damage. Oh my god. Let's try another one. The video is freaking scope. Antler cam! Antler cam! I don't know if you can make out the video quality on this guy here though, but wow, that's... You can almost saw my mushroom through my pants there. Goodness gracious. Okay, enough of those ones. 79 normal ones. Oh yeah, that's a friggin' good shot. Nice. We'll have to, I don't know, we'll take her for a rep. And, oh, got confirmation for a job tomorrow. Nice. But yeah, we'll get some footage. I got to do a couple guesstimations tonight, so we'll go for a little Ripolini. Get some dash cam footage. It's got the polarized lens on there, so... The Vantrue dashcam comes with a CPL filtration function, which helps reduce glare and reflections from the windshield on road surfaces. This is especially useful in daytime driving, delivering clear and more vibrant footage. Might have to look at a job, so let's go do that. Oh, I gotta go look at a couple of jobs. So, see what happens. I can't believe the picture quality on this guy. Got the gate open, my door open. Holy boys. I can't believe the picture quality on this guy. Gate open, my door open. Yeah, the video quality is just what I've seen so far is very upstanding. Well, it's got the friggin' speeds. It's got the speedometer. Vantrue features a parking monitor mode, providing 24/7 surveillance for your parked car. Any suspicious activity will be clearly recorded. Please note, this function requires the hardwiring kit, which is sold separately. Look at all the utilities in the ground up here, boys. Imagine having to dig. Imagine you were digging. Look at them all. Look at this. Holy shit. We're happy. Backing up for a guy turning, nice. Ooh, something's going on back there big time. Still friggin' carrying on. So this 3-channel 4K dashcam has triple Sony Starvis 2 sensors and triple HDR recording. It also features a 2.5K IP67 waterproof rear camera, which reliably records in driving conditions and during relatively extreme weather. Micro SD card, designed for smooth recording with high read and write speeds, supports 4K and 1080p full HD video with UHS speed class U3 and class 10 performance. Friggin' A-rice, boys. We've arrived, and to prove it, we're here. Decent. So yeah, right on, man. But yeah, boys, big thanks to the friggin' Vantrue dicks. The one thing I need you to do for my own self is to go to One Pug Life Entertainment on Facebook there. Because we're trying to get back in the jig of things with that. There's all type of movies going up. We've got all type of content on One Pug Life Entertainment on Facebook, boys. Now, you're missing out on big time. And shit you never even saw it before, for sure, probably. I mean, some of you probably have, but a lot of you probably never even saw it, so. So here's another little handy tidbit for you there. So you got photos, any photos that we captured, you know. They're all just right there. Just capture different photos. Right, so these are all just images that have been. Oh, there's me setting it up. But yeah, and then you got just normal. That's all your just normal footage. Just regular going down the road, minding your business, doing your thing. But then when you push the button, say you witness a crash or something. Now you've got all those saved, oops, oh deck, all those saved files here. So like when we were putting it in and stuff, and you know, thundering it around. But like the old dash cam, you wouldn't have this like this list of what's-its, right? You would just have like, you know, your dash cam footage. So then you'd go to it and there would just be like, on one that I had, there would just be like a little red symbol beside, so you'd have to still scroll through all this, and then try to find the ones with the little red thing on it. Another one I had, it was just the you know, this one says like C.MP4, A.MP4, B.C.A. You know what I mean? So that's the front, rear, and interior camera, different you know, numbers or whatever, but it would just be like a, you know, like a very ambiguous friggin' number that you'd have to like kind of, you know, scroll through and find the ones that were a little bit different, you know what I mean? And so that just made it, you know, next to impossible to find your footage. Whereas this, oh, I pushed the button, there's all my events. I can simply just like sant it, you know. So there was the cops. See, look at, I pushed the button because the cops were waiting right there. Where's the other side? Look at the front here. See them? Cops. But anyways, we'll get that footage and everything off there. But that's a good feat here, because you got to be able to find your footage. What the hell's the sense of having a dash cam for? You know what I mean? So there you go, boys. The freaking Vantrue Nexus Series N4 Pro S. Pretty sweet camera. If you you know, leave a comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Go over to One Pug Life Entertainment, leave some comments and stuff over there. I'll put the link for the Vantrue Facebook page in the prescription there, and of course the link for the camera and whatnot. And it's very well possible that you could be driving around with a friggin' Vantrue N4 dash cam of your very own to get all the different shots driving around, in case somebody crashes into you and tries fucking wiping you out. But anyways, boys, appreciatory valve the Vantrue dicks there, and yeah, smoke some cigarettes.